A verb phrase is an essential component of English sentences, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of the language. At its core, a verb phrase consists of a main verb and its auxiliaries, also known as helping verbs. For instance, in the sentence, he is eating an apple, the verb phrase is eating. Here, is the auxiliary verb that helps convey the ongoing action of eating. Let's look at another example. She has finished her work. The verb phrase has finished combines the auxiliary has with the main verb finished. This structure not only tells us what she has done, but also indicates that the action has relevance to the present. Now, consider you should study for the exam. In this case, should study is the verb phrase. The auxiliary should expresses necessity or obligation, while study is the main action. This combination gives us a clear idea of what is expected. Another example is, she has been sleeping for 2 hours. Here, has been sleeping is the verb phrase. The auxiliary verbs has and been work together with the main verb sleeping to describe an action that started in the past and is still ongoing. According to generative grammar, a verb phrase can also include complements and modifiers, which can expand its meaning. For example, in they will be playing soccer tomorrow, the verb phrase will be playing includes the auxiliary verbs will and be, along with the main verb playing. The addition of soccer tomorrow tells us what they will be playing and when. To identify a verb phrase, look for the main verb and any auxiliary verbs that accompany it. A good tip is to ask yourself, what action is happening and what helps describe that action? If you can pinpoint the main action and any helping verbs, you've likely found your verb phrase. Let's try a few more examples. In I can swim very well, the verb phrase is can swim. The auxiliary can indicates ability. In they are going to the park, are going forms the verb phrase, where are is the auxiliary verb indicating a current action. Remember, verb phrases can vary in complexity. In he might have been working late, the phrase might have been working includes multiple auxiliaries that add layers of meaning about possibility and time. Understanding verb phrases not only helps in constructing sentences, but also in comprehending the nuances of what's being communicated. So, next time you're writing or reading, pay attention to those verb phrases. They're the backbone of your sentences, carrying the action and meaning forward.